right, so we are at Constant Falls Condos, brand new complex going up in South Meriden. This is Joe LaRosa. He's with LaRosa Construction. So we're helping these guys. This is one of my favorite parts of what I get to do, right? I love helping people get into homes, but I really love seeing new homes going up from the sticks up. So we're here, almost done with construction, helping these guys so that we can have clients come in here and buy these condos with confidence, getting it fully approved with Freddie Mac. We're gonna be ready to go and get homeowners into these homes because there's not enough right now. So really excited about it. Joe, what's been the best part of this whole process? Think I can do it? That'd be good B-roll, right?
You could totally do it.
What do you think, Pam? How far is that? Yeah, no, I don't like it. With my luck, yeah, no. That's a bad idea.
Well, the best part is you guys coming in here, I guess. I don't know.
Happy to help.
No, this was a family project that we bought probably 40 years ago. My father originally wanted to put a restaurant here, and we ended up putting condos. So we didn't have his dream, but it's a good thing.
There's going to be 24 happy families here really soon. I know that for sure. So, and there's we got three buildings.
Three buildings, a 9, and a 6 unit.
Almost on, right on the falls. So awesome area right in the village of South Meriden. These will be ready soon. Can't wait to make it happen and get people in here.
Thank you.
So you guys make up these condos. What's important to you guys in terms of people coming in to buy these things? Like, what do you look for? Do you feel confident now that Total Mortgage is helping people finance? Can you speak to that?
Well, we're very confident. I think that we've been in business 70 years, our company, and we take a lot of pride in what we do. So we're hoping that people are going to take pride in taking care of them and enjoying them. I mean, we think it's a great thing. So I got to tell you, Justin, you stepped up to the plate when we did ask you. We asked numerous banks, and you stepped up, and everything fell into place. So we're very happy with you and your bank. So
sounds good. What else? These? Water? Must be. Or gas? Yeah, man, I just love this part. Like seeing this and then seeing the finished product. It's the best part about what we get to do. So it's coming along. We still got to get martinis.
Where are we having them?
You tell me where and when.
Okay,
espresso martinis, of course. I'm with you. People want to buy houses, there's not enough. So it's like as soon as these things could be under contract, I think we'll be. Yeah. It's like I love what I get to do to help people get into homes, but there's not enough houses for sale right now. So to actually know the builders who are able to help them and know them helping my clients get into quality built condos, townhouses here, it's awesome. And to see it happen from start to finish, like I actually could see like what's going into the walls, the insulation, like the materials they're using. Like this is not your average construction. Like this is great quality. So it's like, I love going to closings and seeing clients and like helping them know that that's like the finish line, right? And the start of them like getting into a new home, like starting a new chapter in their lives. Now I get to take it a step further with the builders that I get to work with and know that these people are getting into something that's gonna last them for forever. Definitely one of the favorite parts about what I get to do, for sure.